Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be comparing two setting powders that are pretty popular. So the first one is going to be the Colourpop No Filter setting powder. I've used this on my channel. I actually reviewed it and I liked it and I still use it to this day. I use the shade Banana. And then I'm going to be testing out the all brand new Kylie Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Yellow. I bought this because I wanted to review it and I really wanted to try it. I was excited that she was actually coming out with a powder, but then I was like, like I should just compare like something that I use every day, which is this Colourpop one if I'm not using like my Lancome one. But I've been really liking banana powder on me recently. Like if I really want a bright under eye, I'll use translucent, but like for everyday and stuff like that, when I have this one or when I have banana powder, I'll definitely use it. So this is in banana, this is in yellow. This one is $8 I believe, and this one is $24. The Colourpop one has 0.30 ounces, whereas the Kylie Cosmetics one has 0.35 ounces. So you're getting a little bit more in this one, which I was surprised because when you see the packaging of it, it's just very flat. So I just assumed that you're getting more in this one, but you don't. And I was really surprised by the price as well. I didn't think it was a bad price. I thought there was gonna be something like 30 something for as like my Lancome one is, or like Laura Mercier, but it's only 24. Still pretty pricey, I guess, but whereas this is $8, and if this really works the same or is even better than this one, like it's legit a dupe. But I'm creasing under my eyes because I don't sleep. So let's just get into applying the powders. Before anything, I'm gonna take my Morphe Beauty Sponge. I was using it to blend out my concealer, but I'm just gonna blend out my under eyes before I apply powder, just to make sure I'm not setting creases, you know? Okay. I'm gonna start off with the Colourpop one because it's something that I know that I've used multiple times in the past few months, almost a year actually. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh, a lot of it's already in the cap, which I like that you can be able to do. I'm gonna just use this Sonia Kashuk brush to apply it. I like using my beauty sponge to apply it as well, and maybe I will afterwards, like if I want to add some more, but for now I'm just gonna use this brush. So for Colourpop, I'm gonna be doing the left side of my face, right here, you know, my left, y'all right, whatever it is, but this is my left, so the left side. And I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I'm just kind of, and I'll probably bake with it too. Like I'll really do this half Colourpop, this half Kylie. Where it comes to like the contouring and everything, I'll do it. I really like this Colourpop one. It has no flashback. My skin normally looks really flawless while using it. And I don't really have a problem wiping it off, so I am gonna take the end of the Morphe sponge to apply it to give the chisel effect right here. Period. Now time for the Kylie powder. So this is the packaging. Her packaging is super cute and it feels really soft. Okay, high quality packaging. Here is she. I think this is so cute. I just really thought that it was going to be less product, but just because it was a wider packaging, but that's just me being dumb. So here she is. I was scared it was going to be too yellow because it's literally named Yellow. I'm like, I don't need to be like a correcting thing, but it looks fine. The Colourpop one looks really, really yellow in here, but when it goes on my face, it's nothing like too crazy, which I like. It actually looks lighter than the Colourpop one when it's taken out, so okay. If you hear my dogs barking, I'm so sorry, they're annoying. Okay, no, it's about the same color. Can't even see it, but this is she. I'm just gonna make sure that the other powder is off of this brush. Okay, so definitely a difference in color. As you see, the Colourpop one is more yellow, and whereas the Kylie one, it just shows up more of like a lighter yellow. It almost looks kind of translucent, but like translucent with a hint of like, you know, which I don't mind. Like I said, I don't mind translucent powders as long as they're not giving me flashback and making me look crazy. I feel like the Kylie one, as I'm applying it, it almost seems like it has more of like a coverage. And it's not like I put more on my brush, but as you can see, it has more of like a more coverage and just more of a cover effect, whereas on this side where I have the Colourpop one, it's there, but like it's not as intense as this one is. Hello snatched face, what's up? I'm gonna finish off my eyes a bit, you know, do the bottom mascara, the bottom eyeliner, or in the waterline, and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna wipe the powder away, finish the face, and see how we feel about it. Okay, so I finished off my eyes a little bit. I added some lip gloss because my lips were looking crazy, but alright, let's get to wiping away this powder. I'm low-key nervous because I don't know what's gonna happen. But I used the Kylie setting powder on like my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin, and it's fine, nothing major. So alright, I'm gonna wipe away the Colourpop side first because that's just what I know. I've never keep this on for this long unless I'm like really trying to, you know, so I hope it doesn't look too crazy. Okay, for some reason product always builds up right here in my nose, like this crease, and I don't know how to get rid of it, because if you know how, please let me know, because it's very annoying. But alright, here's the Colourpop side wiped away. So this is normally how my face looks on a daily, pretty smooth, flawless, you know. I think it does a good job with like coverage under my eyes. So yeah. We like her. We always have. So now I'm gonna wipe away the Kylie side. So wiping it away, so I don't know if I just didn't blend out as much before I did the Colourpop one under my eyes, but obviously you're seeing my creases. I mean, it's normal. That's a normal thing for me, you know. But the side you seem to see like a little bit more of the creasing right here, but I feel like that's just a matter of my blending right before I added the powder, because, you know, yeah, but I don't see that much of a difference. Okay, I feel like over here my under eye bags are more covered, if that makes sense. And I didn't really know powder had that like ability to do that. But whenever I buy something, I like to watch videos. So I've like watched other videos on, like, let's say the Lancome one that I like, or the Urban Decay, the Mineral Veil, I think it's called. So I see that powders have that ability to do so. I do feel like over here you see a little bit more darkness, like right here, whereas over here I don't really see it. Like I can see it a little bit here, but it's fine. Like I have natural dark circles, you know what I mean? But I feel like over here I could see it a little more. I don't know. Like I feel like you see the darkness right here more than over here. I'm gonna take a picture doing the flash test, you know. I've never really done this. How do I even screen record on this phone? Let's see. Wait, is this it? No, that's a timer. Stupid. Where is it? Where the fuck is Siri? Siri. Wait. Hey Siri. Can you start screen recording?
Sorry, I can't help you with that.
Okay. Well. Oh, I found it. Okay, so this is me. This is real. This is me. This is exactly what I'm supposed to be. And I'm just gonna take a quick video, photo, whatever, because I feel like the photo's awkward. So I have the flash on. This is the Colourpop side. This is the Kylie side. Okay, so looking at the video, this area right here is a little bit of a problem area for me, and I see that the Colourpop side doesn't exactly like maybe I shouldn't be putting a lot of powder there, but it seems like comparing right here to here, this area is much more smooth on the Kylie side than it is on the Colourpop side. But again, I still see like my dark circle right here a little bit, but maybe that's just a matter of me adding more, which I don't mind doing. So I think that both of these powders have like their, you know, goods and bads, whatever, but I wouldn't call any of them bad completely. I still love my Colourpop one. I get a lot of compliments on my makeup at school, and I normally use the Colourpop one or my Lancome one, but more recently a lot I've been wearing my Colourpop powder. And yeah, but all in all, I like them both. I would use the Kylie one again, because I don't mind it. I don't mind the lightness of it, you know. Maybe not if I'm going for like a full coverage look, but I'll have to try it again, and if I do and I see that it works for a more full coverage look, I will obviously let you guys know. But comparing these two powders, I really do think that you can get the Colourpop one and get away with it as calling it kind of a dupe, because I feel like it does cover, like, let's say under my eyes better than the Kylie one does, but they're both really good powders. Do you get what I'm saying? But definitely I would say that the Colourpop one could definitely be a dupe. They're not exactly the same, but I really think that the Colourpop one could definitely be a dupe for the Kylie Cosmetics one, and that's just my opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun testing out a product, but like comparing it to something that I already know and love, and I would love to do that again. So with whatever products you guys would want to see me do that with, just let me know and I'll do it because I like it a lot. Let's just get straight into my verse of the day. I'm gonna go with my verse of the day today being Psalms chapter 46 verse 5, and it says, God is in the midst of her, she shall not be moved, God shall help her, and that right early. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think of the powders? Which one did you like more? I'm leaning towards Colourpop a little bit, but I like them both. I don't know. I do kind of think it's a dupe, but you let me know what you think. Did you get the Kylie powder? Do you see the hype? I don't know. Let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, to comment, and yeah. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Addicted to you, girl, you got me